Bills have a funny way of making job security sound real attractive. When I was younger, I had dreams of traveling and performing and just enjoying life. But as I got older and responsibilities started showing up, I started thinking, okay, I need security. I need something stable. I need something to fall back on. So like a lot of people, I thought a job equaled security. But over time, I realized a job can be a false sense of security because they can let you go at any time. And when I lost that enthusiasm, it showed. I mean, my energy changed, my numbers changed, and that corporate punishment hits way different than corporal punishment. Getting called into the manager's office, it felt like being sent to the principal's office all over again. But that's when I knew I needed something different. At first, I was looking for stability for myself. I wanted to understand money better. I wanted to understand how people actually build wealth, protect what they have, and create options outside of just depending on a job. And that curiosity is what eventually led me to becoming a financial strategist. And the more people I helped, the more I recognized that a lot of them were in the same position I had been in. They wanted freedom, security, and a way to build something for their families. But most of us were never taught these strategies. And eventually I came across something I'd overlooked my whole life. And at first I thought it was only useful after someone passed away. But the more I learned, the more I realized people were using it while they were still living. Build cash value, access capital, create options, and leave legacies. That something is index universal life insurance. And learning that completely shifted how I looked at things. I started seeing how it could be used for cash accumulation, tax-free growth, creating foundational wealth. I started seeing how the ultra-wealthy used IUL strategies to build family banks, pass down assets, and create legacies. You know, most of us come from families that did the best they could with what they had. But what if we had been given the right financial foundation? And eventually I knew I had to practice what I preach. So I got an IUL. I actually got two. Small. And when I built up cash value, I was able to use a policy loan to help put myself in position to grow my rental property portfolio. And that was the moment it became real for me. Because now it wasn't just theory. I was actually using it while I was living. So for me, IUL became more than a death benefit. It became an opportunity fund, a way to create options, a way to move closer to becoming work optional, a way to build financial stability and think bigger about generational wealth and legacies. So if you've only looked at insurance as death insurance instead of life insurance, let's have a conversation. It may be time to see how it can fit into your wealth building plan. This is Sound Advice with Kev, and remember, before you get to heaven, make sure you see Kevin.